My video got 80,000 views in less than 24 hours. This has never happened to me. And I'm not talking about being somebody with a huge YouTube channel or a TikTok video or a big influencer online. This was my very first Pinterest Live. And in under 24 hours, it got over 80,000 views. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it as well, even if you have no following online. So stay tuned. Let me show you my tutorial so that you can do your first Pinterest Live too. So because I know that there are a lot of people out there that make claims that aren't true, I decided to take you first over to my Pinterest account. Here we go. It is my Pinterest Lives. And this is for a brand new Pinterest account I created a few months ago for a review site that I do. I'm actually a brand ambassador online. I review products that I love and use. And I created a Pinterest account for it just a few months ago. And that account was getting about 10 or 11,000 monthly views. But I got access to do Pinterest Live TV, which is just in beta. It is sometimes called Pin TV. It's sometimes called Go Live, but it is in beta. You can see that right over here. And I decided to try it out for myself and see what would happen. So here we go. This right here was my very first Pinterest Live yesterday, and it has over 81,000 views. 13 people have pinned it. And if we go and click on the analytics, you can actually see 81,000 impressions. So Pinterest put this in front of 81,000 people, 400 people actually clicked on it, and 13 people saved it to their board. Not to mention the hundreds of people that were on live with me yesterday. What is so cool about this is that whenever a platform releases something new, they like to encourage their users to be early adopters. And so because this is in beta, they're going to put a lot of their algorithm juice behind it, and they're going to share out your videos if you're an early adopter to a lot more people. So even though I was brand new, didn't know what I was doing with Pinterest TV, I still got hundreds of people on with me live asking really authentic, genuine questions and checking out the pins that I had to the products that I was offering for sale during my live. And afterwards, I got an increase in visitors to my Amazon's Associates account, as well as additional sales that happened just yesterday, which I am saying are likely because of that Pinterest Live. So I actually have Pinterest Live scheduled for the rest of the month, and I wanted to do a short tutorial today to show you how to set that up so that you can take advantage of this too. Like I said, this was a brand new account, so it didn't have a huge following. I haven't been present online there for a long period of time. So even a brand new person to Pinterest can leverage the power of this new opportunity that they've created for you. So let's head over and show you how to do it for yourself. So once you head over to the account where you want to do a Pinterest Live, you're first going to have to go to this Go Live beta program. Now, if you don't have approval yet, it'll walk you through the process of gaining approval to do Pinterest Live. And what it is going to do is it's going to ask you to submit a short video to Pinterest telling them why you would like to go live on their platform. I just recorded about a 20-30 second video onto my phone, uploaded it to Pinterest, and I was approved to go live within a few days. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, it may take longer if Pinterest has a lot of new people applying. So I can't guarantee you that it'll be a few days, but I can guarantee you that the sooner you do it, the better. Okay, once you have the approval to start creating a Pinterest Live, you're gonna click over here to Create Episode. And what is lovely about Pinterest is they walk you through the entire process. So let's say I want to do an episode on hair. I'm gonna do quick hairstyles, STY. For busy moms. And you don't have a ton of characters over here because this is going to be the title of your video. So you want to make sure that it is speaking to your ideal audience and that it is creating some curiosity, or it's going to give somebody some value. It's going to help them solve a problem that they have. So I know moms are busy. They need to get out the door. I'm going to share with them quick hairstyles because a lot of the products on my review site are beauty products, hair products, shampoos, conditioners, dry shampoos, things that are going to be relevant to moms, people that are on the go, and people that are looking for products in the beauty niche. So over here, you can add your category, and I do see that there's new ones being added because when I first started, I think there was maybe 3 or 4 categories. So find the one that's most relevant to what you're going to talk about. So I'm going to pick beauty, and then you actually do need to pick a date of when you want to do your live video. So I'm just going to select, let's do April 12th, and you actually do have to select a time. Now, one of the things that I noticed is they're only allowing a handful of people to go live in each of these time slots. I don't know, this may increase over time as more people are taking advantage of Pinterest Live, but don't be surprised if your first time slot and date, especially if you pick one that's closer to when you're scheduling it. So like if I had scheduled this, try to schedule it for tomorrow, don't be surprised if that initial one gets rejected. A lot of times it's just getting rejected because the time slot is already full. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've started scheduling mine out every single week for the next month so that I'm already locked in for that time slot and I don't have to worry about getting the date and the time that I'm looking for. You also get to pick your duration, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes, or 2 hours. You don't have to go for the full 30-minute time frame, but it gives you up to 30 minutes to be presenting on your Pinterest Live TV show. So maybe you want to do an interview with some other people. Maybe you want to choose a longer time so that you don't run out of time. Now, the next thing you need to do is you're going to click to add pins that are going to help relevant people to sign up for your episode. So Pinterest is going to go out there based on these pins and put your new TV episode in front of who it thinks is going to be interested in it. So I am going to head over, I opened up another browser for Pinterest. I'm going over to my Pinterest account, click on my saved boards, and I'm going to go to my hair board. This has all of my products that are related to hair products. So I'm probably going to talk about dry shampoo on this Pinterest Live that's going to help moms, busy moms, style their hair because I absolutely love dry shampoo. So I'm going to come over here, grab this pin, highlight the full URL for the pin, and go back over to my Pinterest Live episode, paste this pin here, click on the pin, and it is adding it to my related pins. You do have to add at least 2. So I'm going to click to add a second one, and let's pick another one that's relevant. How to stop your hair from being frizzy. Maybe this one. I'll talk about some quick products that can help people with frizzy hair. Quick hairstyle ideas and products that can help moms who are dealing with frizzy hair. And then we can simply move on to the next step. In the next step, you have to upload a preview image. Now, you could create a pin for this, but what I'm seeing a lot of people doing is actually just adding an image of themselves. It's kind of, I would say, like their brand or their trademark. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload an image of myself to build that know, like, and trust factor with my audience, with my new viewers. So here's a picture of me. This is what's going to show up. And when you click over here and you see those kind of orange boxes, that's where Pinterest is going to put the date and the information about your Pinterest Live. So I can click next. If I want to talk about specific products during my Pinterest Live, this is where I can actually add these product links. Now, here's the little disclaimer. It has to be one of your product pins that you've already put on Pinterest. So if I come over here and I take a look at these pins, I can go ahead and grab this pin to go ahead, put this over on Pinterest. And you hit the fetch button. If you wanted to offer a price discount, you could put that there, but I'm actually just going to add this pin. And what this is going to do is you could actually link products directly from your Amazon account, and Pinterest is going to put that price right on the screen for you. For sake of time, I just grabbed one that goes directly to my blog talking about a straightening brush, because maybe I'm going to say, hey, here's my favorite straightening brushes and that I use to do quick hairstyles in the morning so that my hair is blow dried and straightened just in one shot. So I just actually grabbed the pin. When somebody clicks on this, it's going to appear on the screen during my Pinterest Live. They're going to go directly to my website and be able to check out all of those straightening brushes that I recommend and love. So this can either be direct products that link right to your Amazon Associate store, or this can be linking to your blog or another website where you have something for sale. And you can add, I've added probably 4 or 5 of these typically, but I think you can add up to 10. And then once you're done, you would click next. If you wanted to have other attendees on there with you, you could add their names, but I'm going to skip this. And now you can see this is in draft. It has the episode title. It has the date and time that I want to go live, me as the host, the category. And if I click confirm, which I'm not going to do because I'm not actually doing this Pinterest Live, I like the idea, but I'll probably go back and put a little more effort into it. Then it would put it in the pending account. So if we go back to the live, you can see this one that I have suggested, makeup for women over 40, is still pending. This is the one that I did just less than 24 hours ago and has over 80,000 views. And these two I have already scheduled for upcoming. So it's as easy as that to schedule your first Pinterest Live. And it's amazing to see hundreds of people on their live asking you genuine, relevant questions, asking about your favorite products, you being able to provide value, education, and in turn, sell to your ideal clients and audiences and get that real boost from Pinterest rolling out a new opportunity to their users. So don't delay. I would suggest you go over there and get your first Pinterest Live scheduled today, and I'll see you in the next video.